just got a haircut? Morning. You could go potty? Ellie? She looks so weird standing up like that. Morning. We're gonna make breakfast. You want chilaquiles? I think this is enough. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you okay? Is it coming today?
No, they're coming to get this.
I know.
furniture.
When's the new one coming?
Tuesday.
Nice. Why are you cold?
Yeah, she's cold. Potty, Allie. I'll go potty. Is she shaking?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't even taste.
Are you thinking of it? It's
Yeah, it does.
I knew
Yeah, I'll eat those.
Alright, so today's Easter. And no, my family is not celebrating today because we celebrated yesterday. And I forgot why we celebrated early. But today we're gonna focus on cleaning out old clothes, putting away winter clothes. I am keeping a couple sweaters out just in case like it gets rainy or chilly. But yeah, so today is gonna be an extreme Sunday reset, and pretty much most of everything's done. I did some of it yesterday, like I tidied up the room, folded, put away laundry. I swept, mopped, and wiped down any hard surfaces. So all I really need to focus on is cleaning out like old clothes, cleaning out like I have storage bins underneath my bed, cleaning out those storage bins too, and then laundry. And then also I go back to school Tuesday, so I'm gonna be getting a head start on this week's module. Yeah, and then we're gonna do some self-care. I have eczema on my eyes, so we're gonna fix that bad boy. And I only get it real bad flare-ups like this during like springtime when allergies are like bad. But first, we're gonna play some music, darling. ready. So we're done with organizing. As you can tell, she looks neater. Yeah, and let me show you what I did. So this is like my medicine basket where I keep all my herbs and stuff. And this is my electronics where I keep all like my wires for like editing, stuff like that. It's all like my filing stuff. I just threw that in here because I don't know where to put it. And then this is all my regalia stuff, which I gotta put away. I can't do anything about these winter clothes yet because, you know, my storage bins are not here yet. They're gonna be here around like 3-ish. That's when I can put everything away. And I can't do much about these stuff that I'm getting rid of as well, because all the thrift stores are closed today for obvious reasons. So we're just gonna probably put all of that in my car for now, and I'll take it tomorrow. Here's the plan for the rest of the day, because since I finished with everything else, I'm gonna eat lunch, let my food cello relax for a bit, watch some Jersey Shore. It's so funny to me because I grew up watching Jersey Shore and I recently got back into it and I'm obsessed. Oh, that's cool. All right, we're gonna eat dinner right now and then we're gonna finish working on some homework.
We're gonna eat a lot and then learn some Italian and plan out what we're gonna do once we hit Italy.
Oh my god. It's currently 11:08 and I'm going to apply some Aquaphor because my skin has soaked up the face mask and it's time to apply this baby. Oh my god. I have no class tomorrow, but I do have work. And I have work in the early AM, so I don't have time to, you know, what's the word? Pick out a fit. I'm gonna have to pick it out tomorrow morning because I spent all evening doing homework. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the video here and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.